Yeah. So let us start. I think. Today we are going to discuss about self-image and the right image. But the word right, that is not right here. There is no right about it. There is no wrong about it. It is all about image. And the very interesting point of view is that, say this ball. Nishant, you come a little closer. You can see this. I can also see it. Now, see, I have this selenite stick and this ball. Okay. And can I compare this with this? No, because it has no similarity with this. This is in round shape and this is in that rectangle shape, and this is white and this is yellow, and entirely totally different. Like this is like you both, sun and mom. You are yellow and this is white. Sun is white. See here. So I cannot compare this with this. Right. And the question is that, because if I have another ball like this with one eye, I can compare this with this. And this is round and this is round, and this has one eye, this is two eyes. That I can, this one I can compare with. And this also, if the same type of stick, if it is a black one, I can say that this is black and this is white. So I can go for that comparison. Here, tell me, can you compare me with anyone? Why? Why? Why you cannot compare me with anyone?
Because everyone is different.
Everyone is different. Because everyone is different. And now, Chandra sir, welcome. We just started only. Chandra sir is from Hyderabad. Yeah, Chandra sir, how are you? Can you hear me?
Fine. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we just started only. I was just telling that, can you switch on the video? I was just telling that I cannot compare this ball with this stick. I cannot compare, because if I have another stick like this with a black this one, I can compare that stick with this selenite stick. This is black and this is white light. And here there is no similarity, so I cannot compare this with this one. There is no similarity, right? Then
Okay.
I was asking, just can you compare me with anyone?
No. Everybody is unique.
Everybody is different. Everybody is different. And here, the better than, smarter than, beautiful than, all those than is a mere what we can imagination. That imaginative fear, we can say. So I am smarter than you. You are smarter than me. You are brighter than me. You are that taller than me. You are shorter than me. Everything is just like just imagination. But what is that? That's in just our mind only. You are black, I'm white. You are short, I'm height. I have got height, and I'm smarter. I'm this one, that one. Everything is just in our mind. Just in our mind. And why that is happening? Why that is happening? That we are created by God. Suppose I usually think that, suppose in BMW and all cars, I
Okay.
think company manufactures n number of cars in one batch.
Okay.
Okay, suppose 100 batch in one batch. Now, if, I was with the pharma company, no, and in pharma company, what happens in one batch, this much capsule, this much medicines, this much vials, this much everything we produce in one batch. One batch means this many number of products. Okay, but God didn't do that. God was so careful about everyone, and He made separate modem for each and every one of us. Nishant looks Nishant, Aishwarya looks Aishwarya, Biju is Biju, Lakshmi is Lakshmi, because God had a separate, definite plan for each one of us. Is that clear?
Correct. Yes.
Yes.
Clear. Clear.
Lakshmi, can you switch on your video? Vinodini, can you switch on your video?
Yeah.
And here, what is happening? No, if no one is there to compare with me, if one Biju is here, if another Biju, my twin is here, then you can compare this Biju with my twin Biju. So there we can compare with. Then we can compare with. He's smarter, he's whiter, he's that one, he's that one. Better than we can make it off. But here, what is happening? You cannot compare me with anyone else because I am the only single person, unique person created by God. This much is clear.
Yes.
So
Clear.
how many Sumais are on this earth? Only one Suma is there, no? Only one Suma is there. With all the features you have, with all talents you have, with all the uniqueness you have, only with all that uniqueness, only one Suma is there. And when we talk about Chandramouli is only one single product is here available on this earth. With all its talents, with all its efficacy, with all its all positives. I'm not talking about negatives only, because we are here with all positives. If we count it as negative also, that's also false. Who are you and me to decide this is right and this is wrong? Right? If I am telling about this is no, I cannot accept it because this is wrongly made. Some defect is there. How can I say that? What is my point of view? What is my point of view is that creating whether this is bad or right, whether it is good or bad, right or wrong. Now I'll show you one more interesting thing. Just see that this is a part of my inner healing session. Aishwarya, Chandra sir and all know this. I can let me show you this. Where is that? Yeah. See this one. Where is that? Yeah. See this chart. Here, this is the original version. This one is the original version created by God. Are you getting me? Can you see this? This is the original version. This is the original version created by God, and this is the one. This is a drawing. This is a duplicate drawing, and this is a triplicate drawing. This is the original. This is the duplicate. This is the triplicate. Now, see, if this is suppose this is Aishwarya. You are sitting here, and this is your painting. Okay, this is Aishwarya's painting, and this is paintings out of painting. This is a triplicate one. Like the you know, the you know, the you project before me, the you, God knows the real self. These three different selves we all have. And that frequency of that that appearance and everything, that changes always. And I can be the real one. I can be the real one if, see, this is the God created one. This is the God created one. And this, I think this is I am like. I know something about me, and these all are Biju like. These are my qualities. These are my weakness. I know something about me. That is making me. This is the duplicate one. I'm not the real one then. Now I am trying to project before you as someone else. Then all those problems, no, all those contradictions creates all unhappiness in our life. The distance between these two increases, then a lot of complications will come. And distance between this one and this one increases, again lot of complications, because I am not true to myself. As far as I am not true to myself, I will invite lot of complications in my life, because I may maybe a person project before you as someone else. Then at the end of the day, I will have conflicts in my inner self. I will not be true to my own self. I will try to project झूठ के ऊपर और mask के ऊपर mask पहन के, then I will proceed further. Then I will get into lot of complications like depression and lower self-esteem. All these things are happening because of this. I can show you one thing. Distance between these selves increases, happiness decreases, and distance decreases, happiness increases. If these three self can be one, the only one, the original one, I can say that I am the happiest person in this world. Why we are not able to live the true self? Because we always want to please others. If your personality is behind a mask, if your personality, the original version, is behind a mask, that means you are hiding something. You are hiding your real identity from others. You can never be happy then. You can never be happy. If your personality is behind a mask, you hide your real identity from others, you can never be happy. Often we are living to please others. Whatever they say, it's okay. And we are sacrificing our own life. We are not living our life. We are just dying our life. And people are so happy with persona, because mask. Now Corona has brought us mask, but we always have lot of mask with us. When we talk to someone, we always use that mask to cover up our own self-image or self-identity. Now, can you tell me how can you come out of that lower self-esteem, lower self-confidence? Is there any idea? Now you got know what is that self-image, how I'm pretending to be someone else, how I'm trying to protect my image, my own image, with that duplicate image, triplicate image. How can I be the real one? Can anyone tell me?
So it is said in one more way.
Yeah.
It is said in one more way. There are three yous. The you people know you as, the you know as, and the real you.
Yeah. The real you, then three things are there. Then I know, I try to project before you, and the real I, the real me. The
Yes.
God created one. What I think about myself, and what I am trying to project before you. These three are different. And these three has to be one and only, then I can be the happiest person in this life. I don't have to hide anything. Whatever I am thinking, that will come out of my mouth. In Bible it says, ഹൃദയത്തിന്റെ നിറവിൽ നിന്ന് അധരം സംസാരിക്കുന്നു, means the innermost heart, that comes out through my words. So I don't have to search for words. Whatever is there inside, that will automatically come out. So I don't have to plan anything. I don't have to think more. I don't have to make myself complex. Be simple, be natural, be human, be holy, be happy. Is that so simple? Is that so simple? If I don't have to compare me with anyone, then I don't have to look on someone else, no? Right? I don't have to compare with someone else on the higher status, lower status. Who is deciding as it is lower and it is higher? I can never be better than anyone, because I cannot compare. No one can compare me with someone else. I am different. That is the point here. You are different. I am different. We don't have any comparison. And the interesting thing is that before we start, even before we are sitting here, we all are thinking about our own self only. Before switching on the camera, I was just taking care of my t-shirt and this one, right? My look. I am not at all concerned about how Aishwarya looks, how Lakshmi looks, how Suma looks, how Nishant looks, how Chandran looks, and how Vinodini looks. Everyone is thinking about themselves only. And even before 100 people, now I can talk. But before 2 years or so, I used to avoid all the functions. I used to avoid. In my company also, every now and in pharma company, lot of exhibitions, lot of functions, lot of meetings, corporate meetings, lot of fundas are there. But I never attended. I tried to avoid all the programs like. But now you bring me 1,000 people, I can talk like this. I don't have to pretend. I don't have to wear a mask. The same energy, the same power, every one of you also got. Tell me why? What is the reason? How can you be that confident? How can you be that confident? Yeah, tell me.
Have you overcome from that, sir?
Simple. Just remove that fear. Fear is just an illusion. Remove that fear. Fear is just an illusion. Aishwarya, tell me, before you start the video, what you are doing? What you thinking?
Yeah, it's I can't be looked wrong.
Yes, and some fear is there inside. I am always thinking about myself only. And now Lakshmi is not able to switch on the video. What is that fear in you that is not allowing you to come out of that fear? We all are not going to attack you. We all are not going to eat you. Is that right? We are not going to. Aishwarya, tell me, are you going to eat the Lakshmi? No. And Vinodini, are you going to eat this Aishwarya? Are you a man-eater? No. So we are just we are just fearful about how others will be thinking, would be thinking about me like. But these others don't have any time to think of others. I am thinking about me only. Aishwarya is thinking about Aishwarya only. Nishant is thinking about Nishant only. So to whom then we have to fear? Tell me. Do we have to fear someone? Because my true identity, my personality, it is so unique. My true identity is so unique, and nobody in this world can compare me with anyone. So then what is stopping me to accept myself? What is that fear inside me that is stopping me to come out of that fear? What is that fear?
Judgment.
Yes, it is coming out of judgment. Different point of views and making so that I myself judging myself as, I am lower than this, I am lower than, I am not smarter than this, I am blacker than this, and I am not able to speak, and all those limitations we are bringing into our real world. Fear is just an illusion. We are just creating on a wall in front of us so that we are not able to do that public speaking, or to on the one-on-one also. No, we are not able to on one-on-one also. We are not able to communicate properly because of that illusion, that illusionary fear. So can we all remove it today? Can we all accept as we are now?
Yes.
Can we all be the real one? Yes, because we are living in our own world. Nobody else is bothered about how we are thinking, how we are performing, how we are growing like. If we grow, then people will notice us. If we grow, people will notice us. If I'll tell you, means if I were in the same comfortable zone, not coming out of that comfortable zone, you people also would not have been recognized me. Right? And I would have been worked out that retirement period. After that retirement period, I would have lived like a normal life and just lived and died. That was my kahani then. Autobiography लिखने के लिए मेरे पास कुछ होता ही नहीं था. But now, if I start writing my autobiography, I have lot of things to write. You people also will be get a 1 line, 2 lines in that autobiography. Because I tried myself to come out of that fear. When I realized about my task, my soul mission, then I have to. Then Biju is only one person, one single identity here. I have my purpose in this world. I have some unique purpose in this unique assignment given by this divine, the universe. Then I have to come out. No, I have to live my life. No, then. Now tell me, what is that fear inside? Is there any fear inside now? Is there any fear inside now? Is there anyone who is going to eat you? Is there anyone is able to compare with anyone? If someone compare you with also, is that right? Can anyone compare you with anyone? Can you compare yourself with anyone? Can you compare? No, you cannot compare. You cannot compare. You can tell that, yes, these are my qualities, these are my talents, these are my weak points, these all are my I can tell that these are my qualities, these are my qualities like. Otherwise I cannot. What is that, Rajini? Can you unmute? Can you mute? Let me. Yeah. Now I want all of you to sit quiet and sit in a meditative mode. Now close your eyes and sit relax. Take deep breath. Take deep breath. Once again, take deep breath and exhale through your mouth. Now imagine there is a mirror, full-size mirror in front of you. Imagine you are looking straight into the eyes of your own image. Whatever you were till now, I'm just uncreating and destroying all those images, all those fears, all those mindsets, beliefs, judgments about anything and everything about your life and your personality, your image. Whatever point of views you had about you, maybe received by the words of others, maybe your friends, maybe your colleagues, maybe your teachers, maybe your parents, siblings would have compared you with anyone. Now you know that those everything were wrong. Now with your permission, I'm just uncreating and destroying all those point of views, all those mindsets and beliefs, all those decisions, judgments, conclusions and computations about you, about your personality, about your physical appearance, about your talents, about your capabilities, capacities. I'm just uncreating and destroying it right now and goes from all the lifetimes, past lifetimes, current and future lifetimes. Right from good, bad, popcorn, and short points and beyond. Right from good, popcorn, and short points and beyond. Right from good, bad, popcorn, and short points. Right from good, bad, popcorn, and short points. Now look into the eyes. Look straight into the eyes of your own self. With a new vision, with a new outlook. You are a unique creation in this world. A unique personality. You don't have anyone to compare with. Your physical appearance is yours. Your mental abilities, it is yours. Your physical capabilities are yours. Your educational capabilities are yours. whatever talents you have, whatever limitations you have, that is according to the plan of the divine, according to the plan of the universe. Just accept it. Just accept yourself as you are right now. Accept you as you, the original you. Remove all the masks. You don't have to wear mask, any mask, from since this very moment. From this very moment, you are not going to use any mask. Whatever you are, the real one. Whatever you are inside, that is there outside also. Accept the reality. Whoever you are, that is the plan, as per the will and plan of the divine. You are just accepting it. And still any fear is there inside you. To accept you as you. To be as the real you. I'm creating and destroying all those limitations, all those fears, all those guilt. Whatever is there, sabotaging your self-esteem, self-image, which is not allowing you to come out of that cage, not allowing you to perform your talents outside in this world. I'm just uncreating and destroying all those limitations right now at God's limits. Right now, good, bad, purple, all that source person, beyond. Right now, good, bad, purple, all that source person, beyond. Right now, good, bad, purple, all that source person. Can you open up? Slowly open your eyes and tell me what do you feel now? Lakshmi, how do you feel now? Feeling now?
I'm calm. Good.
Good. Okay. And what about Aishwarya?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling
Sleep.
good?
Sleepy.
Feeling sleepy. Feeling sleepy, yeah. And drink water and have a good sleep. And tomorrow morning you should be a true personality, and being true to yourself will be the new magical mantra for you. Be true to yourself. No mask at all. You don't have to fear anyone. I'm not going to eat you. You are not going to eat me.
Yes.
So simple. Yeah. And what about Ishan? How are you feeling?
It feels very calm and peaceful.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Chandra sir, how are you?
Fine, sir. I am feeling relieved, somewhat relieved, as
Okay.
if something has gone, burden has gone.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. And Ravindra Kaur, I'm so sorry you were so late. I'll share you the recordings. You can watch the recording. Okay. We will be out after 1 minute. I'll share you the recordings if you want. Thank you so much for joining. And tomorrow we will have a moon full. Tomorrow is full moon, no?
Yes.
Yes, tomorrow
Yeah.
full moon.
Yeah, tomorrow at the same time, 9 o'clock, we will have a code removal session. You all can join. I'll give the details tomorrow.